Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Diagnosing DTC B0004-13 involves understanding the specific malfunction linked to the driver's knee airbag inflator in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This error code indicates an open circuit or increased resistance within the driver's knee airbag system, which is crucial for deploying the airbag in the event of a collision. The driver's knee airbag is typically located beneath the dashboard near the driver's side footwell and is responsible for protecting the driver's knees during a crash. The SRS unit, or Supplemental Restraint System unit, monitors the airbag systems and records this fault code when it detects abnormalities in the system. It's important to approach this issue systematically, beginning with a review of the vehicle's history to see if it has been in any accidents, which might have caused this fault. Familiarity with SRS precautions and procedures is vital when working on systems related to airbags, as improper handling can lead to unintentional deployment or further issues. DTC B0004-13 specifically relates to a malfunction concerning the driver's knee airbag module, which generally resides beneath the driver's dashboard near the footwell area. This airbag plays a protective role in lessening the impact on the driver's knees during a collision. The SRS unit, which serves as the central control for the airbag systems, continuously monitors voltage levels. If it detects that the voltage on the detection line exceeds a certain threshold, it interprets it as a fault and subsequently logs the DTC B0004-13 in its memory. Such an increase in voltage can imply an open circuit or increased resistance that disrupts normal functionality. Included in this diagnostic procedure is an inspection of the airbag, the wiring leading to it, and the SRS unit itself. Understanding the role of each component is crucial to effectively diagnosing the issue. There are several possible causes for the DTC B0004-13, each needing careful consideration during the troubleshooting process. First, there may be an open circuit within the wiring of the driver's knee airbag itself, which can prevent proper communication between components. Additionally, increased resistance in the connections might indicate corrosion, damage, or improper installation that disrupts the electrical flow. Lastly, a fault within the SRS unit, responsible for processing data from the airbag systems, could also lead to this error code being logged. Each hypothesis necessitates detailed inspection and testing to either confirm or rule out the potential issues. Addressing each of these causes methodically is key to resolving the issue effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC B0004-13 may include the illumination of the SRS warning light on the vehicle's dashboard, indicating an issue with the airbag system. This visual cue is a direct alert to the driver that the airbag may not deploy properly in the event of a collision, posing a significant safety risk. Additionally, the vehicle may experience an overall malfunction of the airbag system, with other airbag modules potentially affected due to the linked nature of the SRS. It's essential to note that any diagnosed airbag issue should be treated with the utmost seriousness, as it directly impacts the vehicle's safety features. Continuous warnings without resolution can lead to heavier reliance on additional safety measures, highlighting the urgency for troubleshooting the root of the problem. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B0004-13 involves safely disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery. This is a crucial precaution, as any work done on the Supplemental Restraint System, or SRS, including airbags and their components, can lead to unintentional deployment if proper procedures aren't followed. After disconnecting, you must wait for a minimum of 3 minutes. This waiting period allows any residual power in the system to dissipate, ensuring that the SRS is inactive during inspection. Before proceeding, it's vital to revisit the SRS Precautions and Procedures Manual to ensure even more effective and safe diagnostics. This upfront preparation is essential to prevent accidents and misinformation during the troubleshooting process. After ensuring safety by disconnecting the battery, the next step in troubleshooting DTC B0004-13 is to inspect the driver's knee airbag connection. Begin by examining the driver's knee airbag inflator connector, which is typically a 2-pin 2P connector linked to the airbag itself. During this visual inspection, look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or disconnection that may indicate issues in the circuit. A physical inspection of the connector can often reveal problems that may not be immediately apparent through electronic diagnostics. If the connector appears intact, further testing will be required to determine if the airbag is functioning within normal specifications. This thorough check aids in ruling out or confirming the airbag component itself as the source of the DTC. In the third troubleshooting step, you will use a jumper wire to connect the two terminals of the driver's knee airbag inflator connector, establishing a temporary bypass. Connect terminals number 1 and number 2 using the jumper wire, ensuring a secure and clean contact. This method directly tests the inflator circuit, allowing you to check if the system recognizes a normal condition. After making the connection, perform the confirmation procedure by turning the vehicle to the on mode and allowing the system to reset. It is crucial to wait for approximately 10 seconds during this phase, as this allows the SRS unit time to evaluate the newly established circuit and check for any faults. If the DTC B0004-13 doesn't appear after this test, it's indicative that the issue lies within the driver's knee airbag component itself. If the DTC still appears, further inspection will be necessary for other related components. The fourth step in troubleshooting DTC B0004-13 focuses on inspecting the LKA plus and LKA minus circuits for potential open wires. Prior to starting this inspection, ensure that both the SRS unit connector A, typically a 43-pin 43P connector, and the driver's knee airbag inflator connector are properly disconnected. Following this, perform a detailed physical inspection of the wiring connected to the LKA plus and LKA minus terminals, ensuring there are no visible breaks or corrosion in the wires. The next step involves using a multimeter to measure continuity in the circuits. Both the LKA plus and LKA minus should register a resistance of less than 1 ohm. If either circuit fails this test, it indicates a fault in the wiring that is causing the DTC to be logged. This systematic inspection aims to confirm the integrity of essential connections within the airbag system. After confirming the integrity of the wiring in the previous steps, the final troubleshooting action involves inspecting the SRS unit itself. Assuming previous inspections indicated that the driver's knee airbag and its circuit are functioning correctly, attention now shifts to the SRS unit as a potential source of the error code. The SRS unit's key role is to monitor and relay data concerning the airbag systems. Any malfunction here could lead to persistent error codes. Detailed evaluation can include checking software integrity, power supply, and potential internal faults within the unit. If anomalies are discovered during this inspection, replacement of the SRS unit may be necessary to restore system functionality. Proper diagnostics and a comprehensive understanding of the SRS unit's operation are imperative for an accurate resolution. After completing the troubleshooting procedure, it is crucial to conduct a final repair verification to ensure everything is in order. This involves carefully rechecking every connection made during the diagnostic process to confirm that they are secure and correctly installed. Any components that were removed should be reinstalled, making sure that they are seated correctly to prevent any recurrence of the issue. After confirming that everything is back in place, you should clear the DTC from the SRS unit. Subsequently, perform a retest by turning the ignition to the on mode and monitoring for any reoccurrence of DTC B0004-13. This verification step helps ensure that the repair efforts were successful and that the airbag system will operate correctly during an actual incident. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B0004-13, implementing regular preventive maintenance processes is essential. Regular inspections of the SRS system can help to identify any potential issues before they escalate into more significant faults. An essential area to focus on includes the connectors associated with the airbag systems. Ensuring they are not subjected to corrosion, physical damage, or premature wear is critical. Following the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines offers a systematic approach in maintaining vehicle safety systems. Additionally, keeping a record of any previous issues can aid in spotting patterns and anticipating future maintenance needs. Being proactive in caring for the airbag system can significantly enhance passenger safety and reduce unexpected costly repairs. In conclusion, addressing DTC B0004-13 requires a systematic approach that emphasizes safety and accurate diagnostics. Each step in the troubleshooting guide has been designed to methodically isolate potential issues associated with the driver's knee airbag or its supporting circuitry. Awareness and adherence to SRS safety protocols remain paramount to avoid inadvertent airbag deployment during diagnostics. The health of the airbag system is crucial for passenger safety, and routine maintenance checks can help ensure that any issues are caught early. Successfully verifying repairs completes the diagnostic process, leading to a reliable airbag system that functions correctly when needed. Understanding these components and their roles solidifies a technician's ability to effectively troubleshoot and maintain vehicle safety systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.